Our nation is becoming a Control plus Alt plus D nation. Here is what I mean by Control plus Alt plus D. If someone wants data on migrant workers' death or job losses in India or any other data that may raise serious questions upon the government does reply with Control plus Alt plus D. D here signifies Control plus Alt plus delete, which means all the data is unavailable. What follows is no questions asked, no embarrassments, no implications to pay any sort of compensation, and no costs incurred. If they want to put a few hundred years of history of Mughal emperors into trash, they press Control plus Alt plus deny or Control plus Alt plus debunk, and roads get renamed, museums get renamed, and textbooks get rewritten. If someone is taking part in a politically awkward protests, someone who needs to be silenced, someone who needs to be shut up, they press Control plus Alt plus detain. D here stands for detain. They apply UAPA, sedition charges, National Securities Act NSA, and put all these people behind the bars for years and for months. If the mishandling of corona crisis is truly hurting people, if the crashing of the economy is shutting up all the businesses, if people are losing their loved ones, if students are losing their opportunities of jobs, if students are missing their crucial entrance exams, then what does the government do? They press Control plus Alt plus distract or Control plus Alt plus defame. What Modi media does now is to create a villain like Riya Chakraborty and give special attention to actors like Kangana Ranaut. Overnight, all the attention is diverted from thousands of jobs lost and thousands of lives lost due to corona crisis. Let us look at some more examples of Control plus Alt plus delete, this time with crucial data. The number of migrant workers who died during the pandemic, no data, says the government. The number of migrant workers who lost their jobs during the pandemic, no data, says the government. The number of COVID-19 frontline warriors who lost their lives during the pandemic, no data, says the government. The number of micro, small and medium enterprises which were shut down during the pandemic, no data, says the government. And the government has admitted it in the parliament on record. But now the question which arises and we must ask is how it is even possible. Why is the data not available? Now here is a clue why the data is not available. Now let us press Control plus Alt plus compensation. Yes, compensation. Now think, what would the government have to do in order to pay to the families of migrant workers who either lost their lives or lost their jobs? Compensation. Crores of rupees would have been paid. Similarly, in the case of COVID-19 frontline warriors, what would the government have to pay? A lot of compensation to the doctors, to the nurses, to the policemen, to the Safai Karamcharis who lost their lives. And again, in the case of micro, small and medium enterprises, MSMEs, in order to support these crashing businesses, the government would have to pay compensation. And in order to escape all these compensations, government did not reveal any sort of data, even if it might be having. So we can conclude that no data was revealed in order to escape this compensation. In fact, the Labour Ministry has told the Parliament in so many words that since it doesn't have any data on the migrant workers' death during the pandemic, there arises no question of paying any sort of compensation to them. So the formula is quite clear. Press Control plus Alt plus delete, all the data erased, and lakhs of those who were worst hit by the COVID-19 pandemic are just simply forgotten. From Control Alt delete, now let us move on to Control Alt deny. A few weeks from now, Home Minister of India had pressed Control Alt deny button by saying that from past 6 months there have not been any sort of infiltrations from the Chinese side on the LAC in Ladakh. If this is the case, then what have we been discussing at the negotiation table with the Chinese? Does pressing Control Alt Deny button alter all the facts on the ground zero? It is a well-known fact that the Chinese have come till the Finger Four. They are on the ridges of the Finger Four at Pangong Lake. It is also well known that the Chinese have infiltrated themselves between Finger 8 and Finger 4, and the area between Finger 4 and Finger 8 is considered to be Indian territory. If it is not infiltration, then what is it? Chinese troops are blocking Indian army patrols at Depsang. Multiple media reports have proven that. Also, there is another report saying that the Chinese troops are 15 kilometers inside the LAC at Depsang. Various defense officials and army officials have not denied this fact. If this doesn't mean infiltration, then what does? Control Alt Deny Dawanese, the truth doesn't change. And why are we even denying the truth that the Chinese are grabbing our lands? Is it because of our government's inability to create any plan, to create any strategy, and to have zero intent towards getting our territory back? The nation wants to know are the words of a very famous TV anchor. And he is right. The people of India deserve to know the truth. So from today, say no to Control Alt Delete, Deny, Detain, Debunk, Defame and Distract. आप इन सभी बटन से उंगलियां हटाएं और हमें सच बताएं।